everybody, my name is Daniel Bainbridge, Regional Manager UK and Europe for Malaysia Airlines, and welcome aboard this lovely Malaysia Airlines A350, which will shortly be heading off to Kuala Lumpur, sadly without me. However, I'm here to tell you about all of the initiatives that Malaysia Airlines is doing to ensure that you can travel confidently and fly confidently. We introduced our Fly Confidently campaign, and part of this are the cleaning protocols to ensure that customers are safe when they travel. Aircraft are deep cleaned and cleansed and disinfected. The cabin crew wear PPE when serving to ensure that customers can be safe when they travel.
We here at Malaysia Airlines, upon arrival of the aircraft to stand, once passengers disembark and the crew have gone, the cleaning company that's assigned to Malaysia Airlines has a very standard procedure. All laundry items are offloaded, whether they're still unused. Everything is offloaded, from your duvet, your mattress, your pillowcase to your blanket, all removed, freshly replenished in the entire aircraft. And also during obviously COVID, we've introduced a new solution where you've got the aircraft approved manufacturer solution, which is used on all worktops, handles, overhead compartments, tray tables, screens, anywhere you can basically touch in the aircraft. This new solution is actually applied. There isn't such a cleaning process during flight. Obviously, if there's any unnecessary mess, the cabin crew are there to assist the passengers to clean up. Obviously, you have your tray tables. Obviously, like I said, most passengers probably clean themselves, but like I said, anything untowards, the crew are there to assist. In terms of obviously our air conditioning, I believe you've got it in the manifesto, the air circulation is turned around very, very quickly, so it doesn't allow any germs to circulate within the system. I do know the crew do check the toilets, they clean up, replenish with the towels, the cups, and so forth where necessary.
The other thing that we have done during these times of uncertainty is introduce new flexible fare options. We know it's uncertain time for customers at the moment. We know there's uncertainty around borders, but we know that people are keen to travel and get on board aircraft and travel to dream destinations. And that's why with our new flexible fare options, customers can get a full refund, make changes without change fees, and book confidently knowing that if something goes wrong, they're able to change it. We look forward to welcoming you on board soon and hope to see you in the future. Thank you.
My name's Patrick Flaherty. I'm the lounge manager for Terminal 2. So with Plaza Premium Lounge, we do have lounges in all the terminals, but with Terminal 2, we have bedrooms within the lounge. So within the lounge we have 4 bedrooms, 3 singles and 1 double, and we also have 3 showers. There's different types of packages for different use of the lounge. But with the bedrooms, it's completely separate. So if you want it for 3 hours, it's £60 and it's £90 for 6 hours. And if you want for a double room, it would be £90 for 3 hours and then £150 for 6 hours.